My name's Andrew Millen. I work for LiuGong Direct UK. We're here today at the Brown & Mason site at Cotton Power Station. Today we are with the 995F LiuGong machine. This is a 95-ton machine that is powered by a 2806J Perkins engine, delivering 447 kilowatts of power, fitted with a shear attachment. It's working today in a demolition environment. Obviously that's a big attachment, and that is over 9 tons of weight that needs to be moved about. And to do that, we're using a Kawasaki slew motor that's delivering 427 kilowatts of power. If you notice with this machine, it's a 995F DM. DM signifies Demolition Specification Machine. The Demolition Specification machines come with OPGs, it comes with demolition ram guards, it also comes with demolition specification belly plates. This is a machine specifically designed for demolition work. Something we are very, very keen to promote now in the UK is the fact that LiuGong Direct have been selling LiuGong machines for 10 years in the UK. It's going very, very well. We are actually now on target to sell 600 plus machines this year. This is the third 95 tonner we've sold to Brown & Mason, and Brown & Mason as a premier demolition company has been very, very good for us, been very supportive, and we're so happy to be able to be a preferred supplier to Brown & Mason.